AI, machine learning, and deep learning. You hear these three terms used interchangeably all the time, even by people who should know better, but they're not the same thing. If you're a business owner trying to understand how to use this technology, mixing them up can lead you in the wrong direction. In the next few minutes, I'll clear this up with one of the simplest explanations you'll ever hear. I am Larry Frank, and I help businesses automate using AI. Understanding the difference between these three concepts is the first step. Think of them like three nested layers. AI is the outer layer, inside AI is machine learning, and inside machine learning is deep learning. In other words, all machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. And all deep learning is machine learning, but not all machine learning is deep learning. Does that make sense? Let's start with AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the broadest term. It simply means a machine that can perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. Example includes recognizing faces in photos, recommending the next song you might like, or deciding whether to approve a loan application. AI has been around since the 1950s. Early AI relied on rules created by programmers. For example, if a customer misses 3 payments, deny the loan. That is AI, but it only follows the exact instructions it was given. Modern AIs became much more capable because of machine learning. Machine learning is a kind of AI that allows the computer to learn from data instead of being told every rule. Here's the difference in one sentence. Traditional programming means you give the computer the rules. Machine learning means the computer discovers the rules by learning from examples. Take a spam filter as an example. With traditional programming, you might tell the computer that if an email contains the words like winner or prize, it should mark it as spam. The problem is that spammers simply change their words. With machine learning, you show the system millions of emails and tell it which ones are spam. It learns the patterns, and then by itself, it allows it to detect spams it has never seen before. That's why machine learning improves as it gets more data. Now let's look at deep learning. Deep learning is a specialized type of machine learning that uses neural networks which are inspired by the way the human brain processes information. It's called deep because these neural networks contain many layers. Each layer processes information and passes it to the next, allowing the system to recognize increasingly complex patterns. Deep learning powers many of today's most advanced AI systems, including ChatGPT, image generators like DALL-E, voice assistants that understand speech even in noisy environments. Deep learning requires a lot of data and computing, which is why it's recently practical. So why does all of this matter for your business? The important thing is you don't need to build these technologies yourself. They are the engines behind the AI tools you already use, such as ChatGPT, automation platforms, and customer service bots. When a company says its platform uses machine learning, it usually means the system can improve as it processes more data. When they mention deep learning, they are usually referring to more advanced capabilities that also require greater computing resources. Understanding these differences help you ask better questions, make smarter technology decisions, and avoid being misled by marketing buzzwords. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more content. Also, let me know in the comments which of these three terms confuse you the most. I'll see you in the next video.